I don't know what I'm gonna make. I just need to make some loops. I'll try to use a different VST. 60? Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Now I really like the synth, but I'm going to switch it up because I find this like almost too hard to use. It can come up with some really good and interesting sounds. I feel like it takes a bit of work for me to like get a sound that I like. I like to maybe design something interesting that's like the body of this, and then go with something like that I know I'm going to get a good result like easily. I'm not going to go with Xenology for the sake of you guys because I feel like I use Xenology a lot. Just changed this like slightly with one note, basically doubled this idea into like a bigger idea. So now that I've got like a good like foundation here, while I'm still like kind of creating the idea of it, I like to try and catch myself and change my perspective from like this like narrow 4-bar and expand the idea to like an 8-bar thing. I don't know how I feel about this like middle 808. I'm gonna use MoMA, but yeah, I might just like switch out the 808. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably finish this later. Thanks for hanging out. If you want to support me, go check out my Patreon. It's got some cool free stuff included in the membership, or you could just like join as a free member or whatever. But yeah, if you like this video, go check out some of my other videos as well. You might like them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.